In my last video, I'm going to talk about sharing network resources. The communication between devices on a given computer network makes it possible for devices to share servers and hardware with each other, such as printers, scanners, and fax machines. We're going to be looking at three different types of sharing network resources, which is shared file access, shared printer access, and internet access. Shared file access is when you share files with other hosts. You're giving them access to online information and resources through documents, multimedia, ebooks, computer programs, and images. There are different levels of sharing privileges. One user might be able to edit the documents, while one user may only be able to view the information. Files can be shared through the internet, servers, storage devices, and peer-to-peer networks. A good example of shared file access would be through Google Drive. So as we use in school, we use Google Drive. So we right-click on a file, we click Share. I can type in the names of my recipients, right, and I can send it to them. But I can also select which privileges I want to give to the recipient, and if I want to give different privileges to both recipients, I can click Advanced, and I can change the privileges that I give and the permission I give to the recipients to my document. Next comes share printer access. When you share the printer with other computer systems, it means that you are allowing multiple users to access the same printer when they are connected to the same network. Any computer system that has access to the printer can print things from the printer, and they can also make changes to the printer settings depending on the permission that the administrator has given to the user. A good example of this would be our school printer, where everyone is connected on the Delia Wi-Fi, and only those who are connected on the Delia Wi-Fi can access the printer. Students can use the printer to print things, copy, and scan, and they're given limited permissions from the administrator to change printer settings, whereas teachers have more freedom to change printer settings and to play around with the printer and use the printer for more advanced functions. Last but not least, we have internet access. Internet access is the ability that individuals, groups, and organizations have to connect to the internet through terminals in their computer system. Internet access allows them to access their email and the World Wide Web. They can connect to the internet from personal computers and any other device. I can show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi on your personal device. So you click here, you go to this Wi-Fi icon, you make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, and here you have all the available options of wireless networks around you, and you can connect to any one of them. If they're secured, you need a password. Connecting to a network can allow you to access the World Wide Web. You can access your email and anything online. Any information online can be only accessed when you connect to the internet. The World Wide Web can be accessed from all devices, so you just need internet connection to access this whole new world of information. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was useful for you.